Friends. I'm just playing Claire's second run on assisted with the rocket launcher just for fun. It's not really like a speed run. Like, I'm not trying to like set a record. No, I'm kind of curious how, well, obviously because you're using the rocket launcher, that's not a category, but kind of curious as to how fast I can beat it, you know, because curious as to how fast I can beat it, because yesterday I played Leon second run with the rocket launcher, and I did it in
Leon, I'm sure you beat me here.
I did it in like an hour, so I'm wondering if I can do that with Claire right now. Mamma mia. Nice. Oh. Oh. My controller got stuck to the left for a second. I had to play with it. Oh well, I got lucky once. Sometimes that's all you need is one lucky shot. Alright. Blah. Stupid ass key up. Mamma mia. So yeah, I enjoy playing games like this over and over, just kind of going through the motions and, you know, doing everything. I find it fun. It's relaxing. And it's like, I took the time to unlock these special weapons, so let me have some fun and use them. That's my mentality, you know? It's like now that I got the rocket launcher, you know, probably I'm only gonna have to use like the item box like twice more again. That's just dropping off stuff. I got the infinite knife as my fail-safe defense item. I don't think a zombie ever breaks through that window right there. That's something I think would be fun to look up and see which windows enemies can actually go through, because I'm pretty sure, like, you know, I played the game on every difficulty, and I haven't noticed any differences, you know what I mean? Like which ones they're active in. I hate the fact that there's no item box in the main hall anymore. I think that like dramatically alters. Oh, that's right. I started running. Shit, Liquor didn't come after me. Oh, they're giving me some leeway. That is very kind of them. That is very, very kind of them. Them tag me. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see, like, you know, to actually chart when and where, you know, each window, you know, the zombies come through, because, like I said, there's certain windows where it's like, I've never seen anyone ever come through it. I'm done with these bolt cutters, discard them, pick up the bomb, grab a flashbang, because I feel like that could be useful. Yeet. That guy, sometimes I see him awake, and sometimes he doesn't, and I don't know what triggers him either. Alright, let's see. Oh. Oh, thank God, this rocket launcher's got some distance. It's like I'm on amateur mode, and I got the rocket launcher, so it's like I ain't scared of nothing, you know? Amateur mode, I mean assisted. I'm used to the other games. Oh, there's a red herb here, let me pick it up. Red herbs aren't the easiest to come by.
Jesus, stay back!
Off with his hat. I hate Mr. X. It's such a fun power fantasy to just hit him with the rocket launcher. Oh yeah, I forgot. What is this? This is the... I think this is Twin Scales Bird? Twin... No, not the bird, it's something else. Twin Scales... A worm. Oh no, I got my infinite. I don't need that. Alright, you die. You die. You die. Well, the shockwaves must have woke him up. Mr. X is gonna follow me soon. And that's okay. Because I'll just shoot him again. Yeah, last time I played as Leon, after the bomb goes off, Mr. X was waiting right for me through that door, so it was just like... See what happens this time. Oh, easy. See, once bitten, twice shy. Where is he? He's coming for me, I know it. I thought I saw him for a second. Now this one is, what is it? I think it's ram, harp, bird. That was just me guessing off the top of my head. I wasn't even looking at the thing that time.
Why won't he just stay down?
Where'd he come from? Oh, cool. Fuck him. I hate Mr. X so much. He gives me so much anxiety when I play. Like, I don't enjoy it. He's like one of them scary-ass obstacles. Let me see if I remember if I can remember this one off the top of my head. That'd be a miracle. All right, this one was the Crown. What is it? Crown Flame Harp Burn. Yep, cool. And then Marvin. Where's Marvin at? There he is. Hey, bruh. Bruh. Oh, mamma mia. I'm gonna be doing Claire on hardcore mode sometime this week. I'll be doing it for the first time. I never beat Claire's hardcore mode, which will be going for the S+ rank. Be doing that maybe today. I don't know. I'll see how I feel. The plan is I'm having my friend over, and I want her to commentate with me because I'll be honest. Every time I've streamed, I've only gotten like one person watching, and you, one person watching. I appreciate you because when I look back, I think I don't know. I guess I'm not interesting enough on my own with this. That's just how I feel. Hey, what the heck? Those two women are over. Like, I'm thinking I need somebody to bounce off with, to talk with. Like, once I don't mean to sound cocky, but if I ever do get to the point where I have, like, a lot of people tuning in and leaving comments, it's like I'll be able to actually, like, I can work with that. Get a good conversation going, but in the meantime, it's just kind of like, what's there to talk about? What's down there? The mist? But yeah, just, oh, my controller's doing the thing again.
This way!
Don't tell me what to do, Sherry. I hate Sherry. I hate all the assistant... I don't know what you would call them. I hate Sherry and I hate Ada. I hate playing in their segments. They both just... It's just like... the way I feel, it's like when you play this game, like a whole big part of it is that you're saving up your resources and stuff. But then all of a sudden, it's like you're thrust into a part of the game where it's like you can't use all those resources you've been accumulating, and your playstyle has to completely change.
That big pharmaceutical company?
My mom's always at work. I don't get to see her much.
Well, hopefully you'll get to see her again soon. So, where's your dad?
He, with my mom, but he's gone.
Wow. Both of my parents are gone. It's just me and my brother.
Oh, over there!
Don't tell me what to do, Sherry. I know I'm done.
It's closed.
Okay. Key card first. And then that asshole gets what's coming to him.
I mean, I saw people making comments about Claire's, like, foul language in this game. Oh, cool, I got him. Does that mean he won't be here later when I come out? Who knows? Oh, did I get them both? Nope. Oh, where'd you come from? Was he on the ceiling or something? No, I don't mind. During these runs... Oh, there's a blue orb back there. I forgot. I'll have to grab that. When I did this with Leon, I had, like, plenty of stuff to spare, I'm in the shower. I'm afraid to wash my face. I hope you guys don't hear the music. I hope it's not, like, distracting in the background. I don't think I have it too loud. But it's like, you know, I've done this so many times, you know, I like having music in the background. Oh, I started running. Let's hope that killing that liquor meant that there's no more one that spawns. Nope. Again, that was very generous of this game. I was running when I came out, and he did not. Mamma mia, Claire. People were commenting on, yeah, Claire having a foul mouth. Like, you know, some people didn't like that or whatever.
Must be where
I don't
that guy
care.
came from.
I am literally neutral. I mean, it's one way to distinguish her from the original. Gives her some attitude. I like that, at least. And Claire kind of seemed like a goody-goody in the original. This is a more edgy Claire. Let me get the heart key. I think I'll just heal with this green herb right now, just so I can just on that max health. Why not? I'll save the shield heals for later. I always feel like I really love this game. This is a fun ass game. Playing on hardcore can be a bit stressful at times, but hey, you know, nothing good in life has ever come without struggle, you know? Yeah, I only have 2 flash grenades, so I might as well pick up a third. So why not? They're all gonna take the same amount of them anyway. You. You. That blur effect, I don't like that. Probably a way to turn it off. I just don't care that much. Oh. I couldn't tell which ones had blue in them. Alright, red, green, red, blue, green, red, blue. Okay, they're all... Okay, I got 4. That is plenty. Okay, I think I'll just take one more. No, I don't want to run. Oh no, yeah, I don't have to. Or no, it's one of those things where it's like, you know, it gives me, you know, making those herbs give me another thing to pick up while I play, you know. Oop, I did that again. I'm so eager. Make up your mind, Claire. Which way are we going? Hello, friend. See you, friend. The only way this game could have been better is if, like, shooting them just, like, blew them into, like, a million pieces, like the Tyrant in the first game. Now, that would have been some cool shit. Just so. Waiting for him to walk up because I want those invisibility frames to be over. Yeah, this is the best way to go because I need to go to the one area. Oh yeah, where are you at? I'm lucky she wasn't right at the door to get me. Remember, I was hearing about there's like a mod for the PC to remove Mr. X from the game. That sounds like my kind of mod, honestly. One less thing to worry about. Alright, so that's part of the thing that he wakes up in. He wakes up in RPD 2. Where are you hiding, my friend? I hear you. but I don't see you. How are you, friend? Oh, there you are. Oh, I can discard that. Cool. I know in hardcore mode, normally Mr. X catches up with you at this point. Thought I heard him. Oh, he's out here somewhere. Oh, there he is. It's fine. Bitch is too slow. You can't get me. Oh, I never even dropped the thing. That's how fucking cocky I am. Alright. Watch this. I'm gonna drop these things, push it twice, and then Mr. X is gonna donkey punch me. And now I don't need that stress anymore. Oh, did I lose him? Ah, eat that. Oh, I didn't even do it enough. That's not good. Do I take the chance? Do I do it while he's right there? Alright, I know what I'm gonna do. We'll run all the way down. Oh, I can't drop down that way. I'm gonna drop down again. Shoot it one more time. Move it over one more time. Oh, the rocket launcher really makes me feel good. Because it's just like, man, you take a knee for a long time. Alright. You feeling up to it? Feeling good again, boss? Oh. Take your time, friend. There we go. I never picked up the gear. See, when I'm distracted, I'm not the best at this game. It's fine. I got the rocket launcher. I got all the time in the world. Mr. X can kiss my grits. It sucks that because now that I unlocked that door, Mr. X can go through it. Oh, there he is. Hey, friend. You know what? Best not to leave him waiting. I don't know what's the smarter option. Drop him or not? Not that it matters. This is just a for fun run because nothing really matters. I think it's scary hearing Mr. X's theme when you're in this room. I remember that was one time where I felt scared because I was like, what? I thought he couldn't get me in this room. Why do I still hear his music? It's one of those things with Sherry's part's coming up, which, you know, I hate. I don't care for Sherry's part. I wonder if Mr. X hears this.
That worked.
Get gunshots are supposed to attract him. Well, I'm like, well, does destroying the bell attract him? No. There it is. Cool. Just wanted to attract him so I can drop him. It's better when you know where he is. I don't like the startled feeling when I turn a corner and he just punches me in the face, knocks my teeth out. Now I gotta go look. You know what? I'm gonna try and solve this puzzle just for fun. I'm not even gonna look at the diagram. I'm gonna try and figure it out myself. I'm a smart guy. I know how puzzles work. Alright, so I need to get here. Oh, I can't turn, so that can't be it. Okay, alright, so let's do logic. Can't be this way, can't be this way, can't be... It has to be that way, okay. So that's the only way this can go. That's the only way this one can go. Alright, so this one's pointless. There's no way to go there. Alright, there's no point with this. Alright, so this one has to be this one. So this has to be this one. This one has to be this one. So this one has to be here. Alright. Oh, look, figured it out. I think most of these puzzles I never bother to learn how to figure it out. So I heard you're always supposed to swap the first and the third one. Okay. Nope. 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 Let's try this one. Alright. That's a square and a circle. Alright. That's a... I don't like this. Oh my god, I hate this puzzle. What is it? I can't see. It's supposed to be a square and a star, correct? No, it's a triangle and a star. What am I looking at? Triangle and a star. Oh, that looks correct. Oh, I'm a genius. Big brain time. Oh, let's see. How do I get through here? Oh, it's locked. Why would they do that to me? Hold on. Okay, I was gonna say, like, what's on the other side of that door? It is funny that I'm just convenient enough that I got a,
What is this?
There's just a room that they just covered up that little thing with cardboard. Okay, cool. Alright, so yeah, we got here. Alright, and this is the... I'm saying, did he, like, move that in front of it? Or did he just... Yo, climb up, Sherry. What are you doing? Don't run. Be a turtle. Turtles don't run. Honestly, I wish they had done just what they did with, Why would you lock the door to the bathroom? Like, that's just asking for an accident to happen. Alright, let me see. Why won't I be able to cut through the... I'm trying to see the path that is here now. Can we play hide and seek later? I know the room changes around. I'm trying to see what changed.
Are you taking or what? You eating or what? Can you pause it?
Yeah. I'll pause this for a sec.
Downstairs, so I want you to take before I go down.
I'm just taking a little more time to look around and stuff, just 'cause why not, right?
That must be the door out of here.
That's another thing I'm also wondering, 'cause it's like this door is locked. Then when you go to lock it, unlock it, it's chained on the other side. Then when you come back as Claire, chain's gone. I don't know if that's explained in a file or something, because I didn't read the files, but I don't see why that would be the case.
You are gonna be so fucking sorry!
Go away!
I mean, this segment is well done for what it's trying to do. You know, you're a child in peril and you gotta hide from this scary guy. I get it.
Bitch, that's a dead end.
Yeah. Alright, so what? This table just collapsed while I was gone. Okay. That's the setup. That table just collapsed for no reason. Oh. that would have been a dumb way to get caught. Oh yeah, so I hide here, and then I go around.
It's all over now. Door's locked.
Door is locked.
Where are you?
Yeah,
Show
I'm
yourself.
pretty sure I go around him this way
I
first.
know you're in here. The longer it takes me to find you, the worse it's gonna be.
Oh God. Oh God.
Bitch has gotta be here somewhere.
Pretty sure I can't find me here.
Son of a bitch. This is your last fucking chance. Show yourself. Now! Oh, fuck. It burns! Fuck is my key? I see you.
I'm trying to think about the way this place is constructed. What's up with like all these doors where you use the keys to... Like this door I understand you'd be locking people in here, but who you gotta lock in?
I'm coming to you, Sherry! Get over here, you little bitch!
It's one of those things where it's like I never observed how fast it is he chases after you.
Good to see you again, Claire. We've got unfinished business.
What are you talking about?
Don't waste me.
Just you wait, asshole.
That looks funny. Been a while since I, you know, been a long time since I actually like listened to the cutscenes. I just think that's funny. He's like, you know, it's been a long time, Claire. It's like, what do you want? Or whatever it was. She said, like, don't waste my fucking time. It was like, you're the one who friggin' called up, started talking vague and shit. I remember one time I was playing this. I think it was when I was playing on Standard. I'm so used to playing as Leon that I forgot that Mr. X shows up and comes after you. So I'm just standing here waiting for the shutter to open. Back turned to him, not a care in the world. He comes through and just punches me in the back of the head. That's funny. I mean, that's good programming that you can't glitch yourself out of it. Oh, this is over Robert Kendo's place. That's cool. You can see where Leon goes. What's over there? Oh, I'm going over there. First, bad road. I'm just Die. Where's that barking I'm hearing? Where'd you come from? I like that the rockets can actually shoot through the fence of the cage. Like, it's one of those things where it's like I know technically, you know, I wouldn't be able to do that in real life, but them not being a stickler with the rules and being like, it's a real game. People use the rocket launch because they want to goof around.
That's gotta be the orphanage.
Also, I just love how Chief Irons is just like, the orphanage, it's around, you'll find it. Like, then he has the gall to complain that I took too long.
Hang on, Sherry.
Couldn't have been like... I mean, this whole thing could have been resolved really easy.
I have the pendant.
You know, like, plot-wise, like... If he had just faxed her a map. Yeah, just have a fax machine there. Yeah, the original death of Chief Irons was better than the original Resident Evil 2. Because that thing, like, split him in, like, half. That thing was vicious. But here, it's just like, oh, Aliens. I remember that movie. Oh, I remember Aliens. Go down. And also, it's just like, I feel so slow that the way they climb down the ladder. So used to Resident Evil 4 where, you know, you just slide down like a fireman.
Where are you?
Claire!
Sherry? I'll be right there! Go, go, go!
Did that for fun. I know we got more than enough time to get away from her.
Behind you!
No,
Don't
it's
stop!
not.
Hurry! Keep going. Sherry, come on.
This scene's goofy. So stupid. It's like, this is supposed to be the second scenario, yet, you know, here Mr. X gets killed by Birkin, but, you know, in Leon's game, you know, Mr. X is still clearly alive, so it's like, unless they're trying to tell me there were two different Mr. X's. Like, I like, it's a very cool sequence, but, like, it just doesn't make sense storyline-wise.
Sherry's her daughter?
Yeah, there's nothing I need in there. Oh, I could, yeah, the item box, that's what I was thinking. Because I was thinking there's no items I need. I was just trying to wonder, what's on the other side of this door? Like, yeah, I think, like, this door, I don't think there's anything on the other side of this door. The other thing I was trying to figure out was where this area is in relation to the other game.
Sherry, go.
The other game, the rest of the sewers. Like, let's take a look here. Like, normally you would take the, like, if you worked here, you would take the what is this? Alright, so normally you'd come down, you take the elevator, you'd have this place here, then you would go through here and go through there, start your workday, I guess. I guess that's where all the normal shit is.
Sherry? Can you hear me?
Yeah, what is that platform? Is there? It's just weird. Like, you think there, you know, if anything, there'd be a ladder so that you could easily get down. I was just looking at it from the practicality standpoint. You know, like, I work in these sewers. Here's what I gotta do on a regular day. But it's like, this is just, like, very inconvenient.
Cable car. Here?
Figure I'll just use the flashbang in here just because it's good practice for when I play on hardcore mode, and it's very easy for these guys to gang up on you. Actually, no, I got plenty of room. The rocket launcher, never mind. Here, I'm just being all cautious and shit. Because I know in hardcore mode I'm going to need to use the flashbang. I've watched so many playthroughs of, like, different players doing hardcore mode, because...
I'll be right there.
To dirty pool water it goes. What am I doing? I'm so used to getting all the attachments and stuff. Yeah, 42 minutes in. So used to grabbing that red herb, which I don't need. Got the T-bar so I can T-pose on some scrubs. I'm gonna just start talking about random shit. There's really not much to commentate. I'm just looking around my room at stuff. Got a lot of books. I'm a big fan of reading. Like to read a lot of different stuff. Oh yeah, I saw there's another Meg book out. I don't know if it's new, you know, I don't know when it came out, but I haven't read it yet. The Meg series is a lot of fun if you haven't read it. It's just a lot of, like, dumb fun, you know? It's about a Megalodon shark. Oh boy. That never happens. Usually I avoid him like it's nothing. Yeah, sometimes I've seen them take 2 shots. It's about a Megalodon shark that, like, turns out it's not extinct, and it's like, oh, it wreaks havoc on people, and it's like a fun, dumb book, you know what I mean? I'm just like, the big shark eats things. Really makes me feel like a kid reading those, you know, so they're that series is enjoyable. Though I am, like, kind of, I don't want to say afraid, but I feel like, you know, come on, how many more of these can they make? Like, how many different things can you find for this dinosaur shark to eat? I mean, it's also kind of about the characters, too. But also, it's just like, you know, how many adventures are we going to put these people through? George Carlin is, he's my favorite, one of my favorite comedians. He's really what got me. He's what got me into stand-up. Yeah, what's it called? I used to do stand-up comedy. I haven't... I was very, I wasn't consistent with going. And then all of a sudden COVID happened. And it was like, man, I wish I was going, you know? I live in New Jersey. And, like, the places are open now, but it's like, you know, this virus thing is still a big friggin' deal, so, like, you know, it's not over, you know? But, you know.
They're everywhere.
I'll at least be going once a week. Maybe more. I mean, that could be nice, going multiple times a week. But, you know, I'll see how I feel. Start out with 1 day a week. And lately I've been working on my YouTube channel. The name of the channel is Rob80 Comedy. 80 as in ADIE. And, you know, I upload funny videos and shit. New videos every Monday and Friday. And I'm thinking about how cool it would be if I, oh yeah, I forgot I was no longer collecting those. I was thinking how cool it would be if I could... Oop, wrong one. If I could, like, make a bunch of videos. You know, like, what I've been doing is I film a bunch of videos in, like, the span of, like, you know... In 1 day, I'll film a whole bunch of videos, and then I'll upload them all onto YouTube. And I will schedule them, you know, to be released over time. So what'll happen is, you know, basically every week I got videos coming out, and I don't even have to worry about it, you know? Like, that's gonna be, you know, that's kind of nice, you know? It's like I can feel productive, keep the brand going, but at the same time, it's like, you know, I can just focus on the present, you know what I mean? Like, it was nice to have done this ahead. So what I've been doing lately is I've been, like, really grinding. I've been really, working on, been really making lots of videos and scheduling them that way, you know, into next year, so it's like it's one less thing to worry about. I don't know how many like ongoing, like I don't know, I guess call them series I'd have on YouTube, but you know, I do want to keep productive, and I do want to constantly keep putting stuff out there. Same thing with this, with playing these games or whatever. I was thinking like I would probably take my live streams and I would upload them on a YouTube eventually. Maybe I'll have like long full ones, and then it's one of those things where it's like, you know, it's not like I'm trying to rip off Game Grumps or anything. Like, you know, they got like that 10-minute format, but it's like, honestly, it's like I feel that's just what people's attention spans are nowadays. You know, like I think most people can't watch more than 10 minutes of a game a day. You know, so I think I'll upload like the full videos for people to watch, and then I'll also have the you know, 10-minute videos. Daily would be nice, but that'd be a lot of work. I don't know. I'll figure something out. And I'll be sure to be, and I'll be plugging that shit frequently. Once I know what I'm doing, I'll be like, definitely be plugging that every time I stream on here. There's a king. Thing is like my what's it called? Far away from it, so I can't tell at a glance which piece is which.
All right, Sherry.
On my way, Sherry. Yeah, that'd be nice. I hope someday I do make it big and it's like, you know, I'm able to make money off my comedy. And I'm this big superstar. And one of my fans is watching this video. And it's like interesting to see my humble origins, you know? I hate the fact that with this fight the only way to kill him is with the crane. It annoys me that the only way to kill him is with the crane, because they basically force you to have to fight him a certain way. And I'd much rather prefer if you had options, like, you know, it'd be cool if the crane were an option, but you could also, he'd also flee after enough damage, or you could knock him off yourself, like, you know, if they gave me a bunch of different ways to fight the boss, that would be cool, I think. It's one of those things where it's like, you know, they want you to play a certain way. So it's like, they don't give you the choice to play any other way. And I understand, straightforward, you want certain experiences. But also, you know, I like options. That's what I mean, because it'd be kind of cool, like, you know,